Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. I haven't posted a makeup video in such a long time, and I'm really excited to do this because I love giving you guys makeup tips, and I kind of just stopped doing it because my life got so busy last year. And you know, I was trying to take care of my mental health with COVID happening and then like the mandatory lockdowns and things like that. My mental health wasn't all there. So I focused a lot on that last year, and I'm so happy to say I've been feeling so much better. One of my goals this year is to put makeup videos out more consistently, along with just like other beauty videos and fashion videos as well. I really just want to get back into YouTube. I say this every year and then something always comes up and YouTube gets put on the back burner, but I'm really hoping I can follow through this year. I've actually started scheduling out my life, so hopefully that helps with my anxiety, and it also helps keep me on track. But yeah, this is my first makeup video of the year, and I'm really excited. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to add color to your makeup without it looking clownish. When I used to do makeup on clients, I would always get the request of doing a golden brown smoky eye, and it really bummed me out because I love playing with color and I love colorful makeup. And so I would always, you know, ask them if I could add color to their makeup, and they would always hit me with this response of, you know, I can't wear color because it doesn't look good on my skin tone. It just makes me look clownish, like it looks too much. I can't pull it off. And it really saddened me because I think color looks so beautiful on melanin, and I'm hoping this video will give you the confidence to wear color because it really does look so beautiful when it's done correctly. All right, let's get into it.
The first way is to create a colorful winged eyeliner. For this look, you'll need a colorful liquid liner. I'm using the Suva Beauty UV Brights Hydra Fix palette to create this look. All you have to do is create a winged eyeliner using a colored eyeliner, just like how you would with a black eyeliner. This is a great way to add a pop of color because it's not overwhelming but also creates such a fun touch to your makeup. After applying the liner, you can either apply your mascara or false lashes. If you are applying false lashes, I would create a thin black line along your lash line using the tip of your eyeliner. Then, using a black eye pencil, line your upper lash line. After that, apply your lashes. This will help the lashes look a lot more seamless with the makeup because sometimes when you put lashes on top of a colorful eyeliner, you can see the gap between the real and fake lashes and it ends up looking messy. Sometimes when you pair lashes with a colored eyeliner, it can look like the inner corner of your lash is lifting. To avoid it looking this way, line the inner corner of your eye with a black eyeliner using just the tip of the brush. Finish off by applying your mascara. And that's all there is to it. It's super easy and creates a fun pop of color to your makeup look. For the second look, I'm going to add a pop of color to my waterline. This way is my personal favorite. For this look, you'll need a colored pencil liner, a pencil brush, and a colored eyeshadow. First, apply the colored eyeliner in your waterline. Then take a pencil brush and smoke out a colored eyeshadow right underneath your waterline. To tone down the color slightly, apply a black mascara to your lower lashes. You can see that the mascara helps the color look a little more subtle and seamless with the look. And there you have the second way to add color to your look. Again, it's super easy and really elevates your makeup to the next level with no extra effort. Last but not least, the final way to add color to your look is by rocking a colored lipstick. This is probably the most common way people add color in their makeup, but I know a lot of people can still feel shy to rock a color on their lips, especially my people with melanin in their skin. What I like to do is outline and fill my lips in with a dark or nude brown lip liner. This will help tone down the color when you apply it on top. Then go ahead and apply your colored lipstick of choice. Press your lips together so the lipstick and lip liner blend together seamlessly. You want to make sure there isn't a harsh outline of the dark lip liner you used on your lips. Finally, use a concealer and angle brush to clean up the edges. And that is the third way to add some color to your makeup look. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video helps give you confidence to rock some color because I'm telling you right now, you are made to wear color no matter what your skin tone is. If you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the love and support you constantly show me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!